say enche MPP ebakwa to aba eyi okan before ye nyina nim say nanado this year and next year officially na you know the president's na be but said the MPP constitution it you know I can 1 year to the time of a year flag bearer na the last one a friend say the time I said president or also we're trying the second term na we are I can 1 year and you to about a flag bearer na enche I think this year I think almost for date my about Muslim one August or September or will be end of the year they will go and elect a new flag bearer. You who say if you don't resign a trade minister Alan there he's not new I will give him since 2007 about give him against Nanado and Nanado a flag bearer through there or their president don't know the a Greek minister so who say resign who say you got a honorable Kenya Japan MP Konrad Japan Jako and why put you no be and me say MPP so the ceiling and so there was a time there were about 17 presidential flag bearership race and then you probably 17 say don't get here at that time I think say kaka say I akrofo dun so near there the MPP I say flag bearership race no omo nya no say enipa bebre and ebeye and from the ceiling 7 or 8 I've forgotten the exact figure yeah but race issues here ma hu say binu mo ho a so support your candidate no problem project your candidate what I say project no problem but me person me catch him say Eric Michel mo amashe that person with the religion the tribalism but emfa so NDC style of politics no MPP will not tolerate it na MPP ye party ye tolerate it NDC former president Mahama Okujina North I think 2016 and Okujina was say MPP per se Northness into Abamoma onfa former yemfa Baumia that time na Baumia Dr. Baumia running mate yemfa onumum emra melody na Northness into Abamai one said tribalistic comment we know what I say as I say makwan cause NDC and then Crawford they play tribalism especially against accounts NDC na yes ani na yen no NPP party actually prefer democracy at ase no one and say you told that line NDC na tisa MPP tisa ubia MPP welcomes that person to the party MPP is the only political party consistently no party ni ba power ye nuanom ye kan nyina bom even some of the party leaders kura no hwa diverse enye one side you see enkrofo we na wotumi wo party ni mentisa ubia na mo ubia opportunity every omampani that for time even though NDC have played the tribal games ama yenuanom no na accounts no all the time no dudo na to aba good day dachi Michel so what I say eti sabe ye to aba Tabaumia ne competence any indigenous whatsoever. Baby o free me and family who made the biameka. Baby will be free and yami problem. Me I say nipa ne betimi ayeduma. Papa we was show leadership and was show how obetimi de nkabuma. But nya baby will be free. The fact is me ya kan nti no na say by force because of boto a candidate. No. And this in a tesa MPP in tesa. It let's show it. MPP a party and tesa. Let me tell you if we believe we say we coexisted. NDC na tribalism asho mama na train omo pre victim. My mo kwan Eric Medase. E mo kwan masane ma na mete say I pay eti radio so and make some religious comment and about me so Musa Sane man we have to shun it party leaders no as issue communicate say a year mo be flat barrage go bia obeye na wo de religion ebebam say nipa no mo bande no o de religion and also the tribalism bebam but be obi free dey fine obetimi aka osi obi free ha enye but so they no ba be yes o free enti no ye nto aba mana me kofi men so sa na man so na minim say MPP so and this na political party omo esoso because recently had the of Swampofo but NDC party they were all mute penny any former president they were no former president mama no tribalism no dimu akotre they were mute had the of Swampofo so ya chimney into support Akufo-Addo NDC antimi ankasa o by MPP the mama ma ho kwan say obi free hana Dr. Baumia free Muslim no free north ensemu fallacy. The man is good. NDC for na wish say yan to almost slow Dr. Baumia because say Dr. Baumia only former president Mahama Jina any credible election he will beat him 10 times in terms of credibility, in terms of leadership, innovation. Obi oye generational thinker. Former president Mahama comes nowhere near for Dr. Baumia. What are you people? Some of these MPP people saying, and Dr. Baumia and inflation, I could say, and then we are saying, saying your corner, Bebia koso ene enti ye danyamia simpose MPP ne power MPP wo what is public sector workers ye ntua omuka and as a public sector workers engrofo ye adwuma 3 years ye ntua MPP ba power what be that apart from napco nsensem e ba no kra de e yade a aban ne ba e wo try say o ye bibi de aboa say be unemployed youth ni ade say de be ya bibi nya bebe eboa ebi no nso de osu anyansa eboa hwe how innovative our vice president is and near my way te binumu argument a omu gina so e person om de tribalism ne religion ba no monton train baby religion e de an ni gina ye nyame ba ko e ntiase na nipa bi ni obi a what religion ase no you never have a problem with your other person or no so what other side omo ntiase no na all the time they create problems and I say yes we nipa ba ko ya de ane de asane nipa nyina what I say religion nyina no de nyame ba ko no ne pese e ko ne ho na bia obi kwan opese ofasuni no obi kwan opese ofasuni it why should that have to be a problem so enye nipa eno Dr. Baumia has shown she said the papa yi enye no started visiting churches the man started visiting churches long time what I say enu some of these MPP people now ya na bi mu ho cry some can come your inbox na me Kofi you can't change my mind. And me the type of people who are you can influence, especially me who will be a tribalist or yet tribal bigot and I don't like that person. Me person be bam lentina me NDC party na me pen. And yet enipa na wo me say me wona mfo be me NDC but omusuma ni omuni yes ano tribalism ni enipa mu nchichemu ene sa na ntina me pen nti me person party to say MPP who give way to people everyone the opportunity no sani e man na NDC for e say dun katianom omo apart mom di biye ofusu ampofo no sa de no we shouldn't allow it in MPP what I say general secretary of MPP chairman ene empenifo amo MPP mo make sure say sani e man aye pay say obi a waye MP pen sa comment na okoka radio so